See, good morning students. In previous class, what is direct proportion? See, direct proportion means two quantities, x quantities and y quantities. Two quantities are increasing or at the same time decreasing. That is direct proportion. Direct proportion. See, x and y quantities are at the same time increasing or decreasing. So that is direct proportion. Direct proportion. So direct proportion means, one example, see, one day working pay or coolie 200 rupees. 2 days, how much? 400. 3 days, how much? 600. Here see, this is x quantity, this is y quantity. Here x quantity also increasing, y quantity also constant increasing. Here see, 2 plus 200, 400. 400 plus 200 is 600. So 2 plus 2 here, 500 coming, here 1000 coming. See, this is not direct proportion. Why? It is not constant increasing. Here 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So here constant increasing. Here see, how to increase it? 200 plus 300, 500, 500 plus 300, 800, 1000 coming. So here 400, here 600. Here see, 200 plus 200, 400, 400 plus 200, 600. So x quantity increasing and y quantity increasing. That is direct proportional. Now inverse proportional. Inverse proportion. See, x and y quantities are at the same time inverse means x quantity increase, y quantity decrease. That is inverse proportion. Here the inverse proportion means, like an example, a car, see, 1 hour moving 60 kilometers. Here see, 50 speed of hour. No. Now see, these car 60 kilometers per hour. How many, like, that is exact example. Here 15 workers, 15 workers one work finish 2 days. Here see 15 workers, one work finish 2 days. Like these wall built by the 15 workers, finish the 2 days. Now here see, here increasing 20 workers or 25 workers. So how many days these wall finish? Time is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing, like 1 day. Here see, X quantity increasing, Y quantity decreasing. That is inverse proportional. Like as I say in Telugu. So ఈ వాల్ని ఒక 15 వర్కర్స్ 2 డేస్లో బిల్డ్ చేశారు. సో ఇది సేమ్ వాల్ 25 వర్కర్స్ ఎన్ని రోజుల్లో బిల్డ్ చేస్తారు. సో వర్కర్స్ పెరిగారంటే పని స్పీడ్గా అయిద్దా స్లోగా అయిద్దా? సో స్పీడ్ అప్ అయింది, అప్పుడు టైం అనేది లెస్ అయింది. సో 1 day. సో ఎక్స్ క్వాంటిటీ హియర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్, హియర్ వై క్వాంటిటీ decreasing. That is inverse proportion. Inverse proportional exercise 2. We are see here 3 problems given. That 3 problems we are observed. Here see, observe the following table. Find the pair of variables x and y and inverse proportion. Here see, first one. Here x variable given and y variable given. 50, 55, 46, 37, 28. These are inverse proportion, yes or no? How do we say? Here see, like this is, you think x1, this is x1 equal to 50, y1 equal to 5. So x1 cross out to y1, 50 cross out to 5 out. How much? 250. X cross out to y, how much? 250. Now we are check these two. X2 40, Y2 6. So X2 Y2, how much? 60 cross out to 4, 240. Next one, x3 30, y3 7. So x3 minus cross out to y3, 30 cross out to 7, 210. Y x4 20, y4 8. So x4 cross out to y4, 20 cross out to 80, 160. Here see, x1 cross out to y1 not equal to, x2 cross out to y2 not equal, x3 cross out to y3 not equal, x4 cross out to y4 not equal. Here see, all proportional not equal. So this is x1 comma x2 y2 x3 y3 x4 y4 is not inverse proportional, is not inverse proportional. Right. Here given another two problems, that is also as it is. Right. Next problem, here see, as it is dislike only, there x quantity and y quantity given. So these two quantities we are multiply, all are equal, that is inverse proportional. Here see 100 and 60. 20 cross 200, 30, 300, 20, 400, 50. So here given x quantity and y quantity, these all are we are multiplied. Here see, x1 how much? 100, y1 600. So x1 cross out to y1. Now 100 cross out to 600. 60 or 600? 60. So 6000. Next one, x2 200, y2 30. So x1, x2 cross out to y2. 200 cross out to 30. 6000. Next x3 300, y3 20. x3 cross out to y3. 300 cross out to 20. 3 2s are 6, 6000. x4 400, y4 15. So x4 cross out to y4. 400 cross out 15. 15 4s are 60, 6000. Here see, both quantities we are multiplying, all are equal, 6000 only. So now x1 equal to x2, x3 y3 equal to x4 y4. These all are equal. So x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y4, x4 y4 are inverse proportional. See, inverse proportional means, here see, x quantity increasing, here given x quantity 100, y quantity 60. Now here x quantity increasing, y quantity decreasing. So constant decreasing or very difference decreasing. Both one we are multiplying, all are equal. That is constant decreasing. Here see, x quantity increasing and y quantity very decreasing. Here x quantity very high increasing. Here y quantity low decreasing. So now these are inverse proportional. Next, third problem, homework. Asked is this like only, third one homework. Second one, exercise 2, second problem. Here see, a school wants to spend 6,000 to purchase books. Using this data, fill in the following table. Here see, second problem, price of each book. Price of each book. Next, number of books that can be purchased. Number of books that can be purchased. See, price of each book 40, 150, 50, 100, 75, 75. Here see, now price of each book. Here this is a x quantity, like this is y quantity. Here x quantity increasing, here y quantity decreasing. So these all are inverse proportional or not, we are checking. Here see, x1 40, y1 150. So x1 cross out to y1, 40 cross out to 150, 15 fours are 60, 6,000, 2 zeros. And next one, x2 quantity how much? 50. y2 quantity how much? Like we don't know y2. y2 quantity we don't know. So x1 x2 y2 equal to 50 cross out to y2. Here actually x2 y2 is equal to the how much? Like that is inverse proportional we have said. So that is how much we got? 6,000 rupees. So here 6,000 equal to 50 cross out to y2. 50 moving this side, 6,000 by 50 y2. 0, 0 cancel. 5, 8, 16 5s are, no, 12 5s are 120. So y2 how much? 120. Next one, x3 we don't know. y3 how much they are given? 100. So x3 equal to y3 equal to x3 we don't know, y3 100. Actually x3 y3 is inverse proportional. We have said how much that is equal? 6,000. So x3 y3 equal to 6,000. x3 cross out 100. So x3 100 moving this side, 6,000 by 100 cross out x3. 20 cancel. Now x3 how much? 60. x3 60. Here x quantity is increasing, y quantity is decreasing. Next one. Here x4 75, y4 we don't know. So x4 y4 equal to 75 cross out to y4. So x4 y4 is inversely proportional, we have said, that is equal to the 6000. So how much? 75 cross out to y4. 75 moving this side. 6000 by 75 is y4. 75 table where? 75 1 ja 75, 75 2 ja 150, 75 4 ja 300, 75 8 ja 600. So 80. y4 80. Next one. Here x5 we don't know. y5 75. x5 y5 equal to x5 we don't know. So x5 cross out. y5 how much they are given? 75. So these 75 moving this side. So how much? 6000 by 75 equal to x5. So 75 table how much here? 75 8 here given 75. Last one, yes. 75 1 jar 75 80 jar. So x5 here 80. Here see, these all are increasing, these all are decreasing. So all multiply 6000 coming. So these all one inverse proportional. Next one. Take a square paper and arrange the 448 squares in different number of rows as shown below. Third problem. Here see 1, 8 and 6. Third one, last problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 here 12. Next one 8, 6. So 4 rows here, rows. Right here columns. Next one fall down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here see 8 columns. Here 6 rows. This like a given pictures. Here question asking, find out the number of columns, number of rows, number of columns. They are asking the 2 rows, how many boxes? 3 rows, how many boxes? 4, how many? 6. Here 4, 12, column 8, here 8 given. So here how much, here how much, here how much? If they are asking, first one here C, this is X, like this is R, this is C. In the first question asking, what do you observe as R increasing, C decreasing? R1 is to R2 is equal to C2 is to C1. They are asking, this one how to write here? See, R1 by R2 equal to C2 by C1. So R1 cross out to C1 equal to C2, R2 cross out to C2. This one we are multiply with this like LHS and C1 multiply with the LHS. So R1 equal to C1 is equal to R2 cross out to C2. So now here, so as it is here see, this is R2 there. Second one, R3 ratio R is to R4 equal to C3 is to C4. C4 is to C2. Here R3 by R4 equal to C4 equal to C3. These two are multiplied. R3 cross out to C3, R4 cross out to C4. R3 value how much? Here 4 cross out to 12, 6 cross out to 8. So 12 4s are 48, 6 8s are 48. So now X quantity, Y quantity we are multiplying. How much that is equal to the 48. Now we are comes to the first one. Now R1 C1 equal to 48. These both are multiplying, how much coming? 48. Here see R1 R2. Next one, here R1 how much given? 2. C1 not given, 48. So 2 moving this side, C1 equal to 48 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 24 ja. So here how much? 24. Next one, R2 C2 equal to 48. Here C5 equal to 6. R5 C5 equal to 48. C C5 equal to 8, R5 8, C5 not given. So here 48. 8 moving this side. So 8 1 jar, 8 6 jar. C5 is a 6. So these are column and rows both are multiplying how much coming? 48. So 48. 12 4 jar 48 boxes. So these all are equal. X ratio, X quantity increasing, Y quantity decreasing. So this is inverse proportional. Next, R and C inverse proportional to each other. Yes. This is the first, that is the second. Next one. Here asking third one. R and C are inverse proportional. Y both are X and Y quantities, both product 48 and both quantities inverse. Next one. Here see. Do this activity with 36 squares. See, as is this activity 36 squares. 36 squares. Here 46 squares we can do. This activity we are do 36. Now here see. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. So these are 36 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 36. Here 12 columns, 3 rows. Here 8 columns, 4 rows. So we can do these activities like activity. So here see 12 3s are 36. So here 9 and 4. 9 4s are 36. Both are equal. So here see X quantity and Y quantity. Here X quantity decreasing, Y quantity are increasing. So that is inverse proportional. Right, fourth one. So exercise 2. Exercise 2 finish. So tomorrow we are discussing exercise 10.3, 10.4. If you have any doubt, and please send message. Exercise 10.3, 10 problems, 10.4, 5 problems. Totally tomorrow we are that. This lesson we are finished. Shall leave the class. Take care.